Hey everyone! Have you ever looked at a massive, clunky fraction in calculus and thought, there's absolutely no way I can integrate this? Well, what if I told you there's a mathematical cheat code to break that monster into tiny, bite-sized pieces? Today, we are mastering partial fractions. Think about how you add fractions. If you have 1/2 plus 1/3, you find a common denominator, which is 6, and you combine them to get 5/6. Partial fraction decomposition is just playing the exact tape in reverse. We take the 5/6 and figure out how to split it back into 1/2 and 1/3. But instead of just plain numbers, we are doing it with polynomials. So, how do we actually do this? There's a simple 4-step process. Step 1. Check your degrees. Is the highest power of x in your numerator smaller than the highest power in your denominator? If yes, great. If the numerator is equal or bigger, you have to do polynomial long division first. Don't skip this or everything else falls apart. Step 2. Factor the denominator completely. You want it broken down into the simplest linear or quadratic pieces possible. Think of things like x minus 2 or x plus 1 squared, or maybe an x squared plus 3. Step 3. Set up your template. For every distinct linear factor like x minus 2, you give it a fraction with a single unknown letter on top, like a over x minus 2. If you have a repeated factor like x plus 1 squared, you need a fraction for every power. So, b over x plus 1 plus c over x plus 1 squared, and if you have a stubborn quadratic that just won't factor, it gets a linear numerator like dx plus e. Step 4. Solve for the letters. Multiply your entire equation by that original massive denominator to clear out all the fractions. Now you just have a straight line equation. You can pick clever values for x that make parts of the equation equal 0. This is often called the cover-up method. Or you can expand everything and match up the coefficients on both sides. And that's it. Once you find a, b, and c, you plug them back in. What used to be a terrifying rational function is now a few simple fractions that you can easily integrate using natural logs or arctangents. Math is just a puzzle, and partial fractions are simply taking apart the pieces someone else glued together. If this video finally helped you understand the math, hit that like button and subscribe for more Math Made Easy. Have a question? Drop it in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.